In this tutorial we're going to see if we can take an image in Word and make it fit in relation to the text. Now at the moment I've got this image that if I click and drag and try and put in my text, you see how the text separates to the top and bottom of the image, and it just doesn't look right. So what we're going to do first of all is apply some text wrapping and see the different effects. Click the image once, go up to the Picture Tools Format tab, click that, and then click the Wrap Text icon. Now there's various things you could do here, but today we're going to look at two of them, square and tight. If I click the square text wrapping, let's say I click and drag this image, and let's say I want to resize this picture so that it's the same height as my first paragraph, something like that. Now you can see with square text wrapping we've got a nice even line that's been created with the text over the side we put it on. Tight text wrapping gives a slightly different effect. Let's try that. Format tab, Wrap Text, Tight. Now here it looks the same, but if I put it in the middle of the paragraph, and then go up here to the little green circle that has appeared above it, and turn it on its angle, you can see here now the text is wrapping around the outside of the image. That's tight text wrapping. It works really well on images that are circles.